Beneath the sands of the Gaza Strip lies one of the most sophisticated and secretive warfare theaters in the modern world. What was once a rudimentary network of smuggling tunnels has transformed into an elaborate, multi-level subterranean battlefield, prompting Israel and the United States to invest in one of the largest covert military engineering feats of the 21st century. This vast underground conflict zone, stretching for miles beneath civilian landscapes, has become the focus of a multi-billion-dollar defense strategy, combining cutting-edge technology, artificial intelligence, and heavy ordnance. Welcome to the Gaza Underground War, a mega project of military engineering designed to counter the evolving threat of tunnel warfare. The evolution of tunnel warfare in Gaza. The use of tunnels in Gaza dates back decades, but the modern tunnel threat gained global attention during the 2014 Israel-Gaza conflict. Hamas and other militant factions built extensive tunnel systems for smuggling, storing weapons, and launching surprise attacks. These tunnels often ran beneath homes, schools, and mosques, blending civilian infrastructure with combat operations. Some even extended under the Israeli border, enabling infiltration missions. The scale, complexity, and strategic use of these tunnels forced Israel to rethink its entire defense doctrine, a $3 billion response. In response to the growing threat, Israel launched a $3 billion underground mega project focused on tunnel detection, monitoring, and neutralization. This initiative, largely funded through a partnership with the United States, includes a combination of subterranean barriers, high-tech sensors, and precision airstrikes. It also integrates cybersecurity, machine learning, and real-time battlefield data. At its heart is the Tunnel Detection Sensor Grid, an underground network of seismic, acoustic, and electromagnetic sensors capable of identifying even small subterranean activities. Building the wall below. One of the project's cornerstone components is Israel's subterranean border barrier. Stretching over 40 miles, the barrier includes a combination of thick concrete walls, embedded sensors, and advanced surveillance systems. Construction began in earnest after the 2014 conflict and was completed in stages, often under tight secrecy. The wall extends dozens of meters underground, creating a physical and digital blockade designed to detect and prevent tunnel crossings. Military-grade cameras, radar, and AI-enhanced analytics feed into a centralized command center, giving Israel 24/7 monitoring capability. Technology at war, robotic tunnel scanners, and AI. Advanced robotics play a key role in mapping and navigating Gaza's tunnels. Israel deploys ground-based robots equipped with 3D LiDAR, thermal imaging, and acoustic mapping systems to explore tunnel interiors before soldiers enter. These machines provide critical intel such as tunnel width, depth, air quality, and structural stability. The US has also contributed heavily through DARPA-backed research and AI software that predicts tunnel locations using topographic data, heat signatures, and movement patterns. These systems learn from past tunnel designs to anticipate future construction, a dynamic chess match beneath the surface. The bombs designed for this war. To combat hardened tunnels, Israel and the US have turned to specialized ordnance. Chief among them is the GBU-57A/B Massive Ordnance Penetrator, a 30,000-pound bunker-busting bomb developed by the U.S. Air Force. These munitions are capable of penetrating over 200 feet of earth and reinforced concrete, targeting the deepest segments of Hamas's network. Israel's own Air Force has adapted precision-guided bombs for similar tasks, with real-time drone feeds guiding strikes based on intelligence from the tunnel detection grid. Test footage of bomb drops, captured by both Israeli and U.S. forces, show high-speed impacts burrowing into the earth before detonating, creating shockwaves strong enough to collapse tunnels without razing entire city blocks. Drone surveillance and tunnel hunting. Drone technology has revolutionized tunnel hunting. High-altitude drones equipped with multispectral cameras scan for subtle shifts in terrain, infrared anomalies, or heat plumes from underground generators. Low-flying quadcopters are used to inspect tunnel entrances and damage sites. These aerial tools not only locate targets, but also verify strike success and monitor for reconstruction efforts. In some instances, drones have been used to drop small precision charges directly into open shafts, a surgical approach to a deadly problem. Defense contractors and cutting-edge demonstrations. Israeli defense companies like Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Elbit Systems have played a crucial role in developing the tunnel detection and neutralization ecosystem. Demonstrations of their technology reveal compact sensor pods, portable field radars, and real-time simulations communication systems. These demos, often shown at international defense expos or shared via military B-roll footage, highlight how a mix of software, hardware, and soldier training come together to combat subterranean threats. AI modeling now allows commanders to simulate how a tunnel collapse will affect surrounding infrastructure before striking. The intelligence war underground. Beyond the physical war, intelligence gathering is central to Israel's underground strategy. Human intelligence, HUMINT, remains vital, but it's increasingly supported by signals intelligence, SIGINT, and geospatial intelligence, GEOINT. Monitoring phone traffic, satellite data, and drone reconnaissance allows for layered confirmation of tunnel sites. In some cases, AI-powered platforms sift through intercepted communications or social media activity for clues about new tunnel projects. This combination of machine learning and human analysis has led to preemptive strikes that prevented tunnel completion. The cost of precision. While high-tech tunnel warfare reduces the need for widespread bombing, it doesn't eliminate civilian risk. Gaza's dense urban layout means many tunnels lie beneath populated areas. As a result, Israel often delays strikes to evacuate civilians, issues pre-strike warnings, or employs non-explosive ordnance to collapse tunnels with minimal surface damage. These tactics, however, remain controversial. Critics argue they blur the lines between military targets and civilian areas, while supporters see them as essential adaptations to asymmetric warfare. The Gaza underground war highlights the tension between military necessity and humanitarian concerns. The future battlefield beneath us. As warfare evolves, so does the battlefield. The underground arena, once relegated to mines and bunkers, has become a domain of strategic contest. The Gaza experience is shaping future doctrine in the US, NATO, and allied nations facing threats from underground networks. Tunnel warfare is now taught at military academies, with simulations, virtual reality training, and field exercises replicating Gaza-like conditions. Experts predict future conflicts may involve underground drone swarms, autonomous tunnel bots, and even subterranean cyber warfare. Conclusion: the Gaza underground war is more than a regional conflict. It's a case study in modern warfare's future. With a $3 billion investment, Israel and its allies have transformed a shadowy threat into a high-tech battleground of sensors, drones, AI, and precision strikes. This hidden mega project not only defends borders, but also pushes the boundaries of military engineering and intelligence. As the world watches how subterranean warfare unfolds in Gaza, one thing becomes clear: the war underground is here to stay, and it's changing how we think about combat in the 21st century. If you found this video into the Gaza underground war insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of global defense, strategy, and military innovation. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.